these memories will fade and never do. Turns out people lie. They said just snap your fingers, as if it was really that easy for me to get over you. I just need time. Snapping 1, 2, where are you? It's you in my heart. Snapping 3, 4, don't need you here anymore. Get out of my heart. 'Cause I might snap. I'm writing a song, said this is the last one. How many last songs are left? I'm losing count. Since June 22nd, my heart's been on fire. I've been spending my nights in the rain trying to put it out. So I'm snapping 1, 2, where are you? It's you in my heart. Snapping 3, 4, don't need you here anymore. Get out of my heart. 'Cause I'm out. 'Cause I'm out. And if one more person says you should get over it, oh, I might stop talking to people before I snap, snap, snap. Oh, I might stop talking to people before I snap. Snapping 1, 2, where are you? Where are you? It's still in my heart. Still in my heart. Don't need you here anymore. Need you here anymore. 'Cause you might stay. Let's go. 'Cause I might stay. Let's go. Get out of my way. 'Cause I might stay. Get out of my heart. 'Cause you might snap.
Calling you from miles away. I hope and I pray you're still awake. It happens when you pick up the phone. You say hello, I'm back at home. I ask about your day and tell you that I miss you. We go through everything but nothing that we need to say. For a moment I swear I can almost feel you burning, babe. I'm on the other side, on fire with an ocean between us, ocean between us. You're on the other side of this wire with an ocean between us, ocean between us. Counting every breath that you breathe. You're on your bed, falling asleep. I never wanna hang up the call, 'cause hearing you there, it's nothing at all. I hope I never learn an easy way to miss you. We're coming closer, but it's getting harder every day. For a moment, I swear I can almost feel you in a burning day. I'm on the other side, on fire with an ocean between us, ocean between us. You're on the other side of this wire with an ocean between us, ocean between us.
Hindi kayo po sa nagyan.